This is the MailerBag. It's made from paper. And also, it's convenient for returns. Now, let's pack it. Place the product inside the bag. Then, peel off the release paper and fold the bag to fit the product. Run your hand along the back to seal the bag, like this. When the package arrives, the consumer simply unpacks it by pulling the tear strip. Open the package and take out the product. For returns, there is a second adhesive strip for the consumer to use, so simply peel off the tape and close the bag again, as it fits the product. MailerBag, the bag type mailer made from 100% renewable and recyclable paper.